Hi everyone. I got in the mail a couple of days ago May's nine of Earth. Yeah, my son put the money in my account and ordered it for me. So this is a gift from him. So it's called the Ninth of Earth. So here we go. I opened it, but I haven't seen what's inside. Okay, first things first. It's a card of the thing, Ninth of Earth. Um, okay, this is what's on the inside, but that's pretty cool. That's neat. I like all those little things. Okay, and then we got this pretty sparkle paper. Okay, let y'all get a look. And then I'm going to set it to the side here, or try to, and turn it around, and then I'll pull out one thing at a time without looking. Okay, first thing, we got this little box thing. Let's see what this is. Oh, it's a bell with a, looks like a fairy wand. Oh, ain't that cute? Okay, let's see what else we got. A handful of noodles. Okay, put them on the thing. Let's see. I'm trying to find, oh, I found something soft fuzzy. See what this is. Oh, it's a velvet pink bag. Let's see what's inside. I ain't got no fingernails. Looks like we got a couple stones. I have no idea what they are. So, there's something else inside. Intuition. This beautiful blue-green stone reminds us as a, here, let me see if I can find some glasses. I can't see. Okay, this beautiful blue-green stone reminds us of the stillness of the sea, its effect of soothe and calm. It may help ease fear, anxiety, or anxiety and guilt with when placed near your heart chakra. Please place it wherever you feel you can have an energy blockage. Utilized at the throat chakra. It ascends to express your feelings and helps one feel more comfortable in speaking the truth. Charsalal. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's what it is. Very pretty. Okay, next one. Let's see what else we find in here. Okay. A tapestry, pink and gold. Let's see if I can figure out how to open this. Oh, it's a moon face. Very pretty. It's a ultra cloth. Ooh, I like that. Very pretty pink. Okay, see what else. Whoa. The Ninth of Earth. Got a little box here. Ooh. We have a ring with a star. Looks to be adjustable. Little adjustable ring. Very pretty. Okay, let's see what else we got in here. Oh, okay, we found another little felt bag. Let's see what we got in here. That's a heavy one too. Oh, how pretty. I think that's a pyrite and it's a heart. My first pyrite. Oh, how beautiful. Looks like here we got some stickers. Take these out so we can see what we got here. Goodbye, yes and no. It's a planchette with a bat on it, which I absolutely love bats. That is so cool. I love that. It's a sticker. And it says, stay magical, little sticker. Love that as well. There's a little witch in all of us, and I always tell people that, so I like that as well. And it says, trust the path unseen. Oh, well. That's unique. What do we got here? Rider, weight, upright. I don't think I'm supposed to see that. So we'll turn that over. I'm looking for anything else that might be in the bag here, or box here. I did find something. Got some bubbles too. A bath bomb for meditation. Made with love and magic magicfairycandle.com. It looks like they've got a crystal right there too as well. So that'll be fun. I love bath bombs. Okay, let's see what else we got. Ooh, almost dropped that. That's heavy. The Ninth of Earth and their business card. Oh, how pretty. The High Priestess candle. Smells really good. And we got a, looks like a crystal point right there. Very sparkly, very beautiful. Oh, I love that. Okay, let's see what else. Oh, there is something else besides what I got in my hand. Here, let me do this first. Lavender. I think these are incense. Yeah. That's a big incense. I've never seen that kind before. There's 4 really thick incense in there. So, I'll save them for later myself, so. And now this. This is my very first tarot deck ever. Tarot Made Easy. Barbara Moon, I guess is how you say that. The art, Eugene Smith. My very first tarot deck, so I'm excited. Let's open this up. I've always got Oracle cards, so it's my first tarot deck, so yeah. So happy. And that means it's a hint that I have to learn tarot now. Oh, how interesting. Okay. Book comes like this, and it's got a book with it, so that's good. A nice size book with it. So, good. And here's the cards. Oh, look at the backs. They're so beautiful. They got roses and lilies on them. My son said he did get me a couple different ones, so subscription boxes. So this must be one of them, and I don't know what the other one is. So he said he just got a one-time thing, so he thought it'd be fun for me to do. So that was sweet of my sweet son. Okay, they are very slippery. Very, 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 very slippery. Whoa. Yeah. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I do have some things here that my son had gotten me. And I guess I can do a show and tell if you guys would be interested in doing that. Sorry I haven't been on. I've had a lot of stuff going on in my life, and I really didn't want to bring people down. It's my problems and not you guys's. So I want to show this, and I'll get back on here and do a haul, and it's kind of a big haul, so I hope you guys enjoy it. I will talk to you guys later. Thank you. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. It helps my channel out.